this is Jo from Maths Tutor Me. Today we're starting a topic on ratio and rates. If you have never done ratios before, then this is the place for you to start. Today we're just going to do a basic introduction to ratios, just explaining what a ratio is and just quickly how they work. So here it is. A ratio is a comparison of numbers in the same units, okay? The order that you write the ratio is important, okay? So the key thing is there that the items you're comparing have to have the same units and the order that you write them in is important, okay? So a ratio can be written in the form x dot dot y. Now to say that, the x and the y are usually numbers, but we don't say dot dot. We say 2. So to say this ratio, I would say x to y. Now you can also write a ratio as a fraction. So this ratio, x to y, could also be written as x over y. Okay, so let me show you in these examples how to use ratios. A class contains 14 girls and 12 boys. Find the ratio of girls to boys. Now girls is first, to boys. So that means when we write our ratio, the number for girls has to be first. There was 14 girls. Then our 2 dots for the ratio, or the 2, 14 to boys, and there were 12 boys. Okay, so that would be the ratio 14 to 12. We're not going to simplify anything today, we're just writing ratios down. Okay, B, we want the ratio of boys to girls. This time the boys is first, so we have to switch it to have the 12 first to the girls, which is 14. And in C, we want the ratio of girls to the total number of students. So girls is first, there's 14 girls, to the total number of students. We need to add together the girls and the boys, which would be a total of 26. So 14 to 26. Alright, let's look at question 2. A bag contains 5 red, 3 green and 1 yellow marble. Find the ratio of red to green marbles. Well, red, there was 5. 2 green, and there was 3 green, so it's 5 to 3. In B it says, find the ratio of red to yellow marbles. Red, there was 5. 2 yellow, there was only 1. 5 to 1. Part C, we want to write the fraction, so this is just writing a ratio as a fraction, of marbles that are green. Where there were 3 green marbles. Now that would be the fraction out of the total, wouldn't it? So on the bottom we want the total number of marbles, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 marbles altogether. So it would be a ratio 3 to 9 or 3 over 9 as a fraction. And in D, write the fraction of marbles that are yellow. There was 1 yellow marble out of our total again, which is still 9. Okay, so that's it. That's all we're doing today. We're just very simply just trying to get used to working with ratios. So flip over the page. Remember you can print out my sheets if you go to my website. So on the second page, just a couple of questions, just quickly to do these on your own. See if you understand what we've just done. Practice these questions. So pause the video now to do that and then restart when you're done. Okay, question 1. Jenny buys chocolate bars for $1 and she sells them for $3. Find the ratio of the cost price to the sale price. Well, the cost, it costs her $1 and the sale price is what she sells it for. She sells it for $3. Now don't actually write the dollar signs, okay, but they're both in dollars, so they have the same units, so 1 to 3 is all we need to write. In B, the ratio of the cost price to the profit. Okay, it cost her $1. if she sells it for $3, that means when she buys it for $1 and she sells it for $3, that means she's actually made a profit of $2. So cost price to profit. And question 2, a dog has a litter of 7 puppies. The owner notes that the ratio of brown, black and white puppies are in the ratio 4 to 2 to 1. Now they will be in the order here, so the 4 will be the brown, 2 will be black and 1 will be white. So that's what these questions are here. How many puppies are brown? Brown was the first number. So there are 4 brown puppies. Then, how many puppies are white? White is the last number. So there was 1 white puppy. Okay, that's it. Hopefully you found that pretty straightforward. Join me next time and we're going to learn to simplify ratios. Until then, keep practicing. Bye for now.